YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, you know. Done back in the lab. Today we got none other than the up top boss and the east side boss. Yeah, man, we got Teejay and we got SkilliBeng. Yeah, man, the one name Never. And we're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. I wonder if never complain. Yeah, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. This collab is an unusual collab that I wasn't expecting like that. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's a good look. I'm liking where dancehall is going. You see me I say for the 2025. It's a good look to start off the year. I'm seeing some unusual collabs. Yeah, some bigger names in there that should have been working together a long time. They finally started coming around and work together, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So yeah, hopefully this is a banger. Hopefully this go hard. Don't check it out and see go on. Hopefully the song go hard. Hopefully the visuals go hard. Hopefully, you see me? Yeah, cause two top artists is that man. You see me? I say, of course, Teejay is being the veteran. You see me? Well, the elder artist, even though SkilliBeng is a vet as well. But yeah, man, it's a good look. I like this. I like where this is going. Teejay and SkilliBeng. The one name Never. I check it out and see what I deal with. Before jumping in, hit the like and subscribe button, gang. Road to 10K. You already know what time it is. We going crazy. Consistency is back up. You see me? We not play with them. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So do the right thing. Code is life. You see me? Do the right thing, man. You see me? Help me hold up my stress. You see me? Do me a favor. Help me hold up my stress. I hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? I say, gang. Let's get it. Teejay, SkilliBeng, Never. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, come on. I'm liking the sound and the start of this shit. I'm liking how looking, dog. I'm not so suit.
Bad like who? Never. Them could never know. Never. Bad like who?
No. This song definitely deserves a damn video, gang. No joke. They slid on this shit. Teejay? Hey, Teejay, what do you mean I'm bad man singing Bumble Cleat Bag? Oh, come on. Come on. Listen to this beat, gang. Listen to the beat. I listen to the thing that's jump.
Bad like who? Never. Them could never know. Never.
Bumble Cleat. Listen to tune.
Bad like who? Make it Glock screw. My kill every touch, don't murder them and them crew. What the fuck you gonna do? From upon me pad, then I have for a bad cow brawling pad.
Okay, alright. I be trying to hold my composure, bro. I be trying to hold my composure and play it cool, but when I hear a crazy ass bomba track, like I can't help it, man. When I hear a crazy ass bad tune, me just lose my damn mind in a dog. Man, no sense, fully dunce.
And them crew, what the fuck you gonna do? From upon me pad, then I have for a bad cow brawling pad. We have a tall 6 pants, we have a broad zigzag, ready for squeeze. The mini 4 cope, but the bullet then gold, me will fire that now. But some boy a chat
both. Some boy a chat both. We fire that now, you are. Hey. So you see me and laugh for a little pan YouTube, you know, boy. Hey, yo. Hey, me not go this stuff, boy. Yo, when tune bad, but you know. Hey, music made me so happy, bro. No cap. Music made me happy as shit. Yeah, man, don't take your joke. Think I don't see. Hey, go on, tune, man. Teejay, SkilliBeng, y'all sit on this shit. This deserve a video a long time, man. Go on, tune. SkilliBeng slinger.
I'm upon me pad, then I have for a bad cow brawling pad. We have a tall 6 pants, we have a broad zigzag, ready for squeeze. The mini 4 cope, but the bullet then gold, me will fire that now. But some boy a chat out, no it should be care in a that mouth. Them don't say me.
Pombi, go boy.
Wicked and cold, and we are travel with the pound road. It in a me Jansport. My friend them bring it back.
Good.
Shot feet, click them and more.
Bust the M6 figure, make them guys flick out a socket. Gun bust out a rocket.
He's, you know, TJ, why you doing all the things so nasty, dog? Come in, man.
Shot feet, click them and more.
Bust the M6 figure, make them guys flick out a socket. Gun bust out a rocket. Them can shoot me like 50 dog, them amount of massy. My friend them have a screechy pan.
Yeah, is that a 50 cent? Is that a 50 cent this month? Then can't shoot me like 50 them amount of massy. But you know, motor massy. Well, it's been before the vlog channel, but I guess he's talking to the vlog channel now.
Yeah, make them guys flick out a socket. Gun bust out a rocket. Them can shoot me like 50 dog, them amount of massy. My friend them know fi screechy pan them heads like soldier ratty. Amount of gun come in from 80 and that the boat a traffic. Them no bad, them could never. Them could never, never know. Never. Yeah, but like ooh.
Like, oh, come true now, man.
Never. Them could never, never know.
Yeah, flammable liquid, boy. Hot time.
Them could never, never
Just them. Yeah, man.
Never. Up top camp.
Fully militant, kill boy, but me and no cap people say me a done. Ask anybody where I pass, then we tell you say me wicked in a man.
But everyone say, yeah, them people, people say me a done.
Cap people say me a done. Ask
Dan Mafia, I'm saying. Yes, man, go and chew.
anybody where I pass, then we tell you say me wicked in a man. To a 45 Brad, chubby feet, coin on my pants, me have a key and I fan. Stuffy teeth, dung in I'm mad, pan the main, we a buffy boy mad. Wicked and
45 Brad, off you tuck in your pants, you know, boy. To you, we have a, yeah, no. Go for boy mad, you know.
mad, pan the main, we a buffy boy mad. Wicked and cold, and we a travel with the pound road, it in a me Jansport. My friend them bring it pan boat, shot feet, clip them and more.
Whole heap of man we kill ox all spring. We no walk with smart thing. Press the chicken, make it a ma slapping. Boil it down in a coffin. Capping in a blood. In a face with him a take it a ton. A war thing, bad man something. When I carry 32, clip, clap and shuffle. Regular we make the lap and I keep bad man shuffle. Chop up on the ground, beef or curry mutton. Drake up, dim light.
Oh, bring them up.
When I carry 32, clip, clap and shuffle. Regular we make the lap and I keep
Yeah, man, we not carry 32. Chick grab and shuffle, boy. We have that pan shuffle like an iPad, youth. Anything you get a tech.
bad man something. When I carry 32, clip, clap and shuffle. Regular we make the lap and I keep bad man shuffle. Chop up on the ground, beef or curry mutton. Drake up, dim light. Grab up with boy, me no fist fight. Slice off nose with big knife. A lot of swell your body, make your shit tripe. Can't catch me flat foot in the ground. All know when I stay in my circle from me young. Central village if a pussy this man, them I feel like dumb.
Never know, Bumbo Cleat.
Them could never know. Never. You don't want with doggies, you know bad like me. Never. Them could never know. Never.
Bumbo Cleat. That is it. Teejay, skilly to the bang, up that bass, east side bass. Yes, it. Bumbo Cleat. Yes, man, that song really deserve a video. Long time, man. Not just no, man. Never know. Yes, man, a long time that song deserve a video. Yes, me, I say big up to SkilliBeng and Teejay. Yes, me, that's a banger. Visual stuff, lyrics tough. Yes, me, I say, yeah, I like that. Yes, me, I say so. Gang, let me know anything about that one there in the comment section. I like it. Show the artists all over support, make you know so they dancing, you know. Also, yeah, let me know if you're part of Beast, Melody, all that good stuff. Yeah. You don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And out.